Hi.
Hi.
We're back.
We're bored, and
we're going to teach you how to get rid of your hiccups.
I have the hiccups. It's not cool. And they just like...
Bless you.
Okay, so I have the hiccups, and we're going to try to, like, get rid of them.
Yeah, so step 1. Take 2 really deep breaths. If that doesn't work, here's step 2. Hold your breath. I hope I don't get your hiccups. That'd suck. Alright, how's that going? She's holding her breath. Usually hold it until you hiccup, and then afterwards you just kind of exhale deeply. I like peanut butter.
That's hard.
Okay, what was the other one? Step 3, she's not going to show you this because it's stupid, but, you basically, like, kind of stand upside down with your head between your knees while drinking a glass of water.
And if these tips didn't help you,
well then, I'm sorry.
go find another video, dude. Like, you're screwed.
Like just her.
Same. Goodbye.
Bye.